So guys, I just wanted to make a quick video. This isn't anything to do with my personal channel, but I just wanted to bring something to your attention that is quite a good cause and something that us gamers can potentially contribute to and affect. I saw today on Nvidia's Twitter homepage that there is a link to a page via PC Master Race on Reddit where you can contribute some kind of power from your GPU to help them crunch the numbers to try and find some cures for the coronavirus. So I'm not going to kind of go on too much about it. We all know what this is, what is currently going around the world. It's very, very scary. And a lot of people that may be close to you will become affected at some point. So click on the link that I'm going to put down below in the video. This is going to take you straight through to the Reddit page for Glorious Master Race and going to give you all the details for getting involved with this. I'll be doing this for my PC just to try and help where we can. So yeah, get involved. Click on the link below. If you're a PC gamer, have a good PC at home doing very little, then activate this. I'm going to read a bit more into it. But it seems like it's a little thing that I can do and millions of others around the world can do that might just make a difference. So yep, get on it. Click the link below. Start giving some of your GPU power to this cause and see if we can make a difference. So there we go, guys. Thanks.